Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a library on a fast drive and importing your media immediately. This reduces lag and keeps media organized. Once done, make a project with the exact resolution and frame rate you intend to deliver so you avoid reconforming later. Make sure to enable proxies if footage is high resolution, proxies speed editing, and keep responsiveness. Then, organize clips into events and add keywords or roles to group assets quickly. This saves time when you assemble your first cut. You assemble the rough cut using the select and insert tools within the magnetic timeline. This keeps tracks synchronized without manual nudging. Once the story is blocked, trim with the precision editor and ripple trims to tighten pacing. Use the range tool for selective adjustments. Make creative cuts with connected clips and compound clips, and manage audio with rolls. For color and stabilization, apply corrections on an adjustment layer or clip effects. This keeps look consistent while preserving original clips for later tweaks. You finalize by using the Share menu and selecting a delivery preset that matches your platform. Choose a codec and resolution appropriate for distribution, and set audio channels or stems if needed. Once exported, verify playback and captions, then create an archive of your library to an external drive and a checksum backup for safety. If exports show color or audio issues, reopen the project, check roles and render status, and toggle background render. This usually fixes mismatches and missing renders quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.